of course, Google now has 3 primary inboxes, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, if you ever look, you've got a primary, uh, inbox, you've got a social inbox, and you've got a promotions inbox. And if you're getting emails, or at least expecting to correspond or receive emails from me, and you're not getting them, chances are that it's currently just filtering into the promotions or maybe social box, okay? And given, of course, how much I appreciate you and the time you've taken to get on my list, I want to make sure that you're getting all the emails, okay? So the first thing I want you to do right now is I'll click on the gear, settings, filters, create new filter, put in the domain name, right? And I already have created it. Of course, I would hit create filter, and then it would pop in there. Or actually, when I pop it in there, what you would expect, what would happen next when I do that is it'll give you the option to, again, never send it to spam, choose the category of primary, and then hit create filter, and you're good to go. Okay? That's all you need to do.